Welcome to day one, and today listen we will understand what is HTML and why it is the foundation of every website. We will also learn how website work behind the scenes and explore the structure of HTML documents, install Visual Studio Code, and finally create our very first web page from scratch. So let's begin our web development journey. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to build and structure web pages. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It tells the browser where to display heading, text, images, links, button, and other content. So without HTML, a web page would have no structure at all. So every website you visit start with HTML. How website work? Now let's understand how website work behind the scene. First, a user enter a website address in the browser. The browser then send a request to a web server. The server receive the request and process it. If necessary, the server retrieve information from a database. After that, the server send a response back to the browser. So finally, the browser display the web page to the user. So this entire process happen in just a few seconds. And this process is called the request response cycle. HTML document structure. Every HTML page follow a basic structure. At the top, we have the doc type declaration, which tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Next come the HTML element, which is wrap the entire web page. Inside it, we have the head section, which contain metadata such as the page title and settings. Then come the body section, where all the visible content is placed, including heading, paragraph, images, and links. So understanding this structure is the first step toward becoming a web developer. Installing Visual Studio Code. Before we start creating website, we need a code editor. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly editor is Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code. So the installation process is very simple and consists of 5 steps. And step 1, which is visit the official VS Code website using your web browser. Click the download button, then match your operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the downloading is complete, open the installer file and allow it to make changes at prompt. Follow the installation wizard by clicking next. Through the step process, you can keep the default setting or customize them according to your preference. After the installation finish, launch Visual Studio Code and you are now ready to start writing code. A useful point to remember is that Visual Studio Code is free, open source, lightweight, and support many programming language through extension, making it is an excellent choice for web development. Creating your first web page. Now that Visual Studio Code is installed, let's create our first web page. The process involves 5 simple steps. Open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Create a new file by selecting File, New File, or by pressing Ctrl+N. Write the HTML code from your web page. And this example, we create a basic HTML document with a title, a heading that say hello world, and a paragraph say this is my first web page. This code demonstrates the basic structure of every HTML document, including the doc type declaration, HTML, head, and body section. And step 4, save the file with the name index.html. The .html extension tells the browser that this is an HTML document. And step 5, open the file in a web browser or use a live server extension and Visual Studio Code. The browser will display the web page with the heading hello world and the paragraph beneath it. Open the Visual Studio Code, go to the file, new file, write here the name index.html, and now simple create the file. So the file is created. So now write your first HTML code. First doc type, then HTML, so then HTML main tag. Here is the head tag. Inside a head tag the meta, title and setting. The body, inside the body header hello world, and paragraph. This is my first web page. So now save. And for running, install the live server extension. Now simple go to here, write the live server and install. And then simple go to here, go to run and start debug. So now it's run. Hello world, This is my first web page. Congratulations, you have successfully created and your first web page. This is the foundation of web development, and every website begins with a simple HTML page like this.